Either way, make a nigga get a cash in. Fuck up on my DM if you gotta be him. I do my talking with my hands, you don't wanna see them. I call it blaze like Curry, shoot it by the 30. I roll with niggas and gorillas cause these bitches dirty. I'm out the country with your nigga, baby, what you thought? He could be shopping with the limit, yeah, I'm going off.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Shemiah here. If you guys are new to the family, welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. I'm gonna give you a second between you. Go ahead, do what you need to do, pause the video. So it's been a minute since I filmed a makeup tutorial for you guys. Not much inspo for this video. I'm gonna feature a few products that I have never used on my channel before in this video. I'm really excited about revamping my channel. I told you guys I was coming harder than ever. I got my filming mojo in. I got my camera up, ready. We ready to go. We getting it popping. We getting this YouTube thing popping. It's gonna be a great time. Like this is gonna be a great time. So I don't really want to ramble too much about this video. It's just a makeup tutorial. I just wanted to come film, you know, give you guys some realness, because you ain't seen me in a bit. This is a daily face serum. I've been using this for like the past, it's been like a month, I think. Yeah, I've been using this for the past month. This stuff is like the best thing to use under your makeup. Like, so good. And I just use this, just do a few little drops or whatever. As one of my primers before I do makeup, because this kind of gives your skin a little bit of a glow. And now I'm going to take some vitamin C serum and I'm going to put that on my face as well. I had a really bad breakout about 3-4 weeks ago, and when I broke out I went and bought a shit ton of skincare products. I went and bought a shit ton of skincare products to help get rid of bumps. As you guys, I'm gonna just let me finish rubbing this in and then I'll show y'all. I had a breakout about a month ago and it was really bad, and it caused some, my skin doesn't look terrible, but I got a few, demarcations now from that breakout. That was just like tragic, bro. It was tragic. It was really tragic. So I'm gonna go off camera and do my brows, and I will be right back. So we're going to, I didn't carve out my brows yet. They actually look okay. It's okay brow day. I might not do too much to them because they probably don't need that much TLC. But we're gonna move right along. I'm gonna take the Lancome Ta'i Doll. I'm going to take this Urban Studio brush, and this is the 162. This is a contour brush, but I actually like it to blend out my foundation, and I don't prefer my foundation to be streaking all around the world, So we're gonna blend this down my neck, because my neck, you're supposed to match your chest, and this matches my chest, but my neck is like fucking two or three shades lighter than what I really am. But that's my natural complexion though. So now I'm going to take the NYX HD concealer. This is in the shade, I'm going to take two shades. I'm going to take Caramel and Tan Bronze, and I'm just going to apply under the eye. I'm gonna take the 10 and I'm just gonna take that and we're gonna go over Caramel because she blends real cute or whatever. Now I don't know if it's just me, but this concealer oxidizes like shit. Like, it goes on really, really bright, but I like to let my concealer sit for like a minute or two, just so it can get a little tackier. And when it like sits, it just starts to oxidize. But because I use Caramel on the bottom, it might not oxidize as bad in this video, but she gonna oxidize though. video going around where this professional makeup artist, I don't know, I don't remember or recall what his name was, but apparently he said that you are not supposed to drag your concealer this far out. I think that's more of a preference type thing, because in makeup there are no rules. So if I want to drag my concealer all the way out here, then I can do so. I feel like being a YouTuber, it has changed the rules to this makeup game, like, because it really shows that there are no limitations to what makeup can do, how far it can go. And like I said, everything, especially in this community, I just feel like it's preference based. It's all about what you prefer and what you like. So if you prefer not to, fine. And he prefers not to, but for him to say you're not supposed to do that, I mean, that's his preference. And you're probably not supposed to do that. At least that's probably not what they teach you, but that's the whole point of YouTube, for us freelance YouTube content creators and makeup artists to change the rules, to make no expectations of what makeup should or cannot be, because it ain't no rules, okay? So now I'm going to take this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, and this is what it looks like. I think this is like $7. I forgot how much I paid for this. It's like $6 or $7. It's really not a lot of money. And it lasts for 24 months, which means it's gonna last me for 2 years, which I'm super excited about. And this is in the shade light medium. Ooh, girl. Okay. So now we're going to move right on to the eyes. I don't really know what look we're going for today, but we're just going to wing it because we're here. I'm going to take this palette. This is the Watch My Smoke palette from the crayon case. This is what it looks like. I got this palette from one of the cast members on Love and Hip Hop, and I just wanted to feature this because this company is the shit, okay? And their pigment is the shit, and they're black owned, and I'm always here to support my sisters. So yeah, we're going to take this here color right here. These colors don't have names, and if they do, they might be on the packaging, and I don't have that no more. So we're going to take this color right here, this pink color, and I'm just gonna pop that into my crease there and pop it into the crease. And the pigment is pretty awesome, y'all. Well, not this shade, just kidding. I'm going to use on this palette is this shade right beside it, the purple shade. It's a little bit deeper. This is like a fuchsia like color, and this is like a real pale pink. So I'm going to take this color and just put it right under that pink color just to deepen up our crease a bit. So I'm taking the It's My Ray Ray and BH Cosmetic palette, and I am going to take, what shade is that? Friday. I am going to take this shade right here, Friday. This shade right here, and I'm going to put that shade directly into my crease. With that brush, it doesn't blend up well, so I'm going to take that same brush that I was using and blend out the edges so that it doesn't look super harsh around like that color that we put in our crease. So, and I'm just going to take that and blend it out. I'm going to mix this color and this one, these two, this one and this one. life because that's what I'm going to be doing for like the next 15 minutes. So I'm just going to blend this color out. And I'm just taking a clean brush really because this brush don't really have no product on it. And I'm trying to blend it out, but this brush is not doing it.
2,000 years later.
But we're going to take this pink glitter right here. It looks red on camera, but it's not red. It's pink with different types of hues. And I'm going to take this one as well. These are some glitters I just got from Michael's. I think it was like $5 and it came in 6 in a bag. We're going to take those and we're going to pop that one. We're going to make a little half cut crease today. I said I was gonna put the white, but I don't really know what this white is gonna do to affect the glitter I already used. But we're just gonna press her on top and just see. Oh, bitch, you are playing with me. Take a Friday and smoke that under the eye. Take this the NYX matte liquid liner. This is like my favorite liner. We're going to take her and we're just going to line our top line. So now we're going to bronze up the skin. I'm going to take the NYX matte bronzer. This is in the shade Deep Tan. Now I'm going to take the Glow Cane. This is from the crayon case. This is a loose highlight pigment, and this is a white pigment. I'm just going to take this and we're going to put a little bit of her in our inner corner. We're going to set our face with my little concoction of spray. This is just like my favorite setting spray, y'all, and this is my own concoction, so whatever. And then we're going to take the rose water because I like this too as a setting spray. It just kind of like helps really set the face. So I'm going to take this as well. Just this is the Clinique Cheek Pop, and this is in Cola Pop. I love this blush right here. It's like a dark red, and it's just like, I don't know, y'all just have to look. It just adds extra warmth, like a redness that I kind of like to my skin. Not a redness, it just adds an extra warmth, like it's really warm. And this is, I would say this is really good for, this blush is really good for deeper skin tones. If you want a really nice deep blush, this will be great. Boop. This highlight a little goes up. Literally, I tap my brush in like one time. A little goes a long way, like. So take any brown lip liner and basically just line your lips.